Pick a word and I'll say it backwards.
Oh! Platypus.
Platypus. Suppetalp.
Platypus.
What?
How about a sentence?
Okay, let's see.
I had 10 what?
10 cans of tequila.
10
No,
cans.
bottles. 10 bottles of tequila.
I had 10 bottles of tequila. Tequila. Ali kat va zlotab net da ya.
I had 10 bottles of tequila.
What? That is crazy talent. Oh my gosh, you guys start like posting that on TikTok.
The invention, the Clasp Locker, changed its name around the 1980s to the zipper because it made a zip sound.
What?
This is a challenge.
What? Okay. The invention clasp locker.
Yeah, like zippers were called Clasp Lockers.
Clasp locker? Is
Yeah.
Okay. The invention clasp locker changed its name to the zipper around the 1800s because...
1980s.
Or 1980s.
Because it made a zip sound.
Because it made a zip sound. Okay, let me think about it. Because I have to, like, put it into my memory. Okay. The invention clasp... Or is it the invention the clasp locker?
Yeah.
Okay. The invention the clasp locker
Proud.
was changed to the zipper around the 1980s because it made a zip sound.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can do it. Denoas piz diem t zakib zta nitnine of Denaura Ripiz of Ut Mien Sti Digniech Recall Psalk of Nuchnevne Eth. We'll see if I get
The invention the Clasp Locker changed its name to the zipper
Oh my god.
around the 1980s because it made the sound.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. God. Hey, can that be in the video?
That might be in the video.
I ran a mile in sandals.
Okay. Zlodnas ne Liam Nar ya.
I ran a mile in sandals.
What the
That's
fuck?
crazy, dude. That's awesome.
Bjarks bus subs right.